Hey there, Steph here, and today I want to do a video about making the most of your time because for me today is Friday and I'm really looking forward to my days off. I have so many plans of all the things I want to get done, but I really don't want to lose time. So I thought this might be a good video to do for myself, but as well as for you, as you might have a day off coming up and I really want to make sure you make the most of the time. So here are 3 things to be aware of in order to make it valuable for you. Okay, so for number 1, it's a brain dump. I do this with a lot of my clients and it always proves useful. The first thing you do is you just write out everything that's on your mind. You don't think about what's actionable or not actionable, you just write everything out. Any thoughts, anything that's in your mind, things you need to do, and it takes you from overwhelm to clarity very quickly. Just by having it on paper, it actually relieves a lot of pressure, which is the first step. If you want to take this brain dump all the way through, then you can actually look at it and then start to separate the actionable items from the not actionable items, and then really start to narrow down what most needs your attention and focus. But if you're ready to get into your day off and just want a quick 10-minute exercise to make you immediately have some relief, the brain dump is worth it. Number 2, avoid the gray zone. The gray zone is this area where you're not fully on, but you're also not fully off. So you're not getting the benefits of either. You are, trying to spend time with your family, but you're also trying to answer some work emails, or you're looking at your text messages or your work stuff while not fully being present. So you're not fully focused on your work where you're getting stuff done, but you're also not fully focused on your family and enjoying that time. This can be in many contexts. This can also happen if you have multiple things you want to get done. Like let's say you have 25 things you want to get done on your weekend off. Well, guess what? You're going to spread yourself really thin. Your mind's going to be in a million places and you're not going to get the full benefits from all the work that you've done. It is better to be fully on or fully off. So for example, for me, now that I'm on my weekend, I am fully off of work. I'm not gonna look at any emails or text messages or anything like that regarding work until Monday. And it is a wonderful, wonderful feeling because that means I can be fully on for the things I want to focus on for the weekend. And number 3, be super clear and super focused on your top priority. It is so easy, especially when we have more time that we usually don't have, to just let our minds wander and to just let distraction seep in. The average person, the average adult spends about 4 to 5 hours a day on their cell phone screens and 7 to 12 hours on screens across the board, cell phones, but as well as desktops and so forth. Now, obviously during a work day, some of that could be accounted for because of your work. But if this is your time, either after work or on your weekends or your time off, then, just be super focused on what you want. It's okay to go on screens or do whatever you need to do to get your highest priority done, but don't let other things seep in to where all of a sudden the whole day or days go by and you didn't get that highest priority moved forward. So here's my suggestion to you. Write down and be clear on your highest priority for your time off. And then make sure no matter what, every single day you move forward on it for at least 15 minutes a day, if not more. All right, so that's it for this video today, because like I said, this is my weekend. I get to turn one part of my life completely off and turn another one completely on, and I'm really excited about it. No gray zone, no middle zone, no mushy middle where I don't get the value from either area. One's totally off now and the other one's gonna be turned totally on. So I wish this for you as well. If you need any support on your goals or dreams, there is a Google form linked in this episode as well as in my channel description. So go there and fill out your info if you want any support on your goals and dreams as you move forward and become who you want to be, one messy, playful sprint at a time. All right, see you next time. Bye.